Hello dear beautiful ladies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope so you all are fine, good, enjoying the good conditions of your health, doing very well. So today in this video, I'm going to share with you some awesome collections, some beautiful designs of midi dresses. So you will be find out more than 100 plus design ideas of summer wears, midi dress design ideas for ladies and girls. So if you are looking for latest collection, latest design ideas of midi dresses for your summer wear, so these are the best and latest collection today I have collected for you in this video. Within different colors, different styles, different designs, different fabric, different prints, amazing colors combinations and amazing stitching ideas of midi dresses. So must watch this video till the end and don't skip any idea, don't skip any design. So you will carry these styles of midi dresses for your party wears, for your formal wears, casual wears. Even you will get new ideas and designs for your daily wears. If you love to wear midi dresses, if you love to wear short frock style dresses, skater style dresses, belted style dresses, A-line style dresses, knee-length style dresses, so this video is really going to be helpful for you, very useful for you. You will get more than 100 plus design ideas of midi dresses and knee-length style dresses for ladies and girls in this video. Hem style dresses, flare style dresses, ruffle work style dresses, frill style dresses, different neck designs and different sleeve design ideas. You will be find out half sleeve designs, full sleeve designs, sleeveless dress designs, beautiful and amazing collection and amazing designs of midi dresses for your summer season. I really love these designs and I hope so this video is going to be helpful for you, useful for you, and you will get new ideas and new designs and you will love these styles, you will love these designs of midi dresses. So if you are loving these designs, if you are loving these styles of midi dresses, so please dear ladies, dear girls, please do support me, do share my video. Do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives, so that new people get new ideas and new designs of dresses. And if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my video, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you, so don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was these designs of floral printed midi dresses, and which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel, which type of more videos will be useful for you, helpful for you. Tell me in the comment section. I really try my best to make my videos according to your opinions, so must share your opinions in the comment section with me. For more amazing ideas, for more collection, for more designs, please do visit on my channel and check the other collection. I have already uploaded a huge collection of dresses on my channel. Trending fashion ideas of dresses you will be find out on my channel, so you will find out maxi style dresses, mother of the bride dresses, party wear dresses, office work style dresses for ladies and girls, top designs, blouse designs, shirt designs. So a lot of new ideas you will be find out on my channel on daily basis, so must visit on my channel and check the other collection. I hope so dear ladies and girls, those videos will also be useful for you, very helpful for you, and you will get new ideas and new designs of dresses from those videos. So must visit on my channel and check the other collection. I'm very thankful to you for your kind appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much for your kind support. Thank you so much for your positive feedback on my channel. So please keep supporting me, keep sharing my video, and keep visiting on my channel. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear ladies and girls, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves and goodbye till the next video.